Namaste. Today the 64th episode of Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Today we will learn about again how this parinama, the mind transformation that is happening in this samyama, and also we will learn how we can able to gain the psychic power of knowing the past, present and the future. How we can achieve that psychic power that we are going to discuss. It will be going to be very interesting. Watch the complete episode. In the 15th episode he says, Kramanyatvam parinamanyatve hetuha. That means in the previous episode we learnt, like when we do the samyama that is dharana dhyana samadhi, and when the mind undergoes the transformation in 3 stages, then what happens? There will be a changes in the 5 elements, that is all the Prithvi, Agni, Vayu and all, that there will be a changes that undergoes, and also there will be change in our chitta, that is our mind. That is done. So he says in this 15th sloka, Kramanyatvam parinamanyatve hetuhi. That means the difference in the process of succession is the cause in the transformation. What does exactly mean? Suppose if you are not doing any sadhana, that means you are not doing any dharan, dhyan, samadhi, or you are not at all doing any transformation. Still, there will be a transformation that will happen in your body, in your mind and in your chitta, but it may take a few births to happen. Just like, you prepare a pot out of, earthen pot out of the mud. Again, that mud will undergo changes, and again that earthen pot becomes it will be destroyed and it will become again the mud. This changes happens in our body and mind also. But when you do the practices, when you do the sadhana, the transformation will be different. It will not be you are involution is happening. The process is becoming shortened. So the transformation will be accordingly. And next he says in the 16th sloka, Parinamatraya samyamad atita anagata jnanam. By performing samyama on the 3 transformation, knowledge of the past and the future will arise. See, I need to really give you a very good explanation about this. If you are not aware of about the samadhi parinam, ekagrata parinam, I really want you to go to the previous episode and watch it completely, then only you will understand this part, and also how to undergo these 3 changes, that also you need to understand thoroughly to understand this point. Okay, so he says, do the dharana, dhyana and samadhi on 3 stages of parinama. That means, suppose you are keeping an object of Om and you are doing dharana, dhyana and samadhi. Okay, and you will reach to the state of samadhi, and when you reach to the state of samadhi, again the mind undergoes the changes in 3 steps. You need to be the 3 stages are happening. That is, first there will be a distraction and there will be a samadhi state, and then there is only that object will be there, and in the 3rd stage we will suppress that also. That means we will remove that object also. We will go to the avyakta state. So these 3 stages you will be doing. Simultaneously you are aware of that stage also. When you are aware of that stage also, and at the same time your mind is undergoing those 3 stages also, then you will be able to achieve this psychic power, where you will come to know that what happens in the future and what happened in the past. So you will get that siddhi when you reach this state in samadhi, and you will able to predict, or you can able to get the future things, and also you'll able to come to know about the past also. This all will happen only when we keep a consistency in the practice. When we don't have a consistency in the practice, and when we don't follow yama and niyama, all these things will fail. The first step is we need to follow yama and niyama, and then we reach to a stage where the mind samyama, where the mind is undergoing a transformation. At the same time, we are aware of those 3 stages. That's very important. Hope you got the essence of this shloka. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box. That helps me to explain further. Thank you so much.